How to buy shares on plus500. To buy shares on plus500, start by creating an account on their website or mobile app. You'll need to verify your identity with a valid ID and proof of address. Once your account is verified, deposit funds using your preferred payment method like a bank transfer, card, or PayPal. You can choose between trading real shares through plus500 Invest or trading share CFDs on the plus500 CFD platform. To buy, search for the stock you're interested in, select it, and choose whether to buy or sell. Optionally define a stop loss or take profit to manage your risk. Confirm the trade to open your position. You can monitor your investments, make changes, or close your positions anytime through the platform. Thanks for watching.